Hi friends, welcome to Krishna's Tech Info. In this video we can see about how to monitor Docker containers. In this I am going to explain about the CTop, which is the top-like interface for monitoring Docker containers. CTop is a free open source, simple and cross-platform top-like command line tool which is used for monitoring container metrics in real time. And you can also get the overview of metrics concerning the CPU, memory, network, I/O for multiple containers. It also supports the inspection of a specific container. So now we can see the installation and usage. We can install CTop in two ways. First, by downloading the package. Now the package is getting downloaded. Now we can add execute permission to the file we have downloaded. Now the permission is added. Now the CTop is installed. Now we can see how to use CTop. Now run the command CTop, and now we can see the containers that are running and stopped. You can see the first container is running, and you can see the CPU usage, memory, network and I/O. You can see the processor ID at the last. Now select the container. Now you can see there are four options available in the menu. First is the single view, and the next is the log view, and you can stop the container here using the CTop, and last is the cancel option. First I'm going to select the single view option. This will show you the ID name. You can see all the information about the container at the top, and you can see the CPU usage, memory usage here, and you can also see the network information and the I/O. Next we can see about some options in CTop. CTop-A will display the active containers only, so you can see only the one container which is active now. And the next option is CTop-scale CPU, and this will display the CPU as the percentage of the system total, so you can use the -scale CPU option. You can also filter the containers using the -f flag option. You can filter the container using -f option using the container name. To see the other options in the CTop, you can use the -h option. In this video we saw how to monitor Docker containers. Thanks for watching this video. Post your comments and suggestions. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button to get instant notifications on my videos. You can follow me on this Instagram ID and Facebook page. For any queries, you can reach me on this Skype ID.